Thomas here. You probably know me as Mike from Maine. And on behalf of myself and my partner, Reveiw, I just want to thank you and welcome you to the JP page for Changio. Now, Changio is a super powerful cloud-based software that's going to allow your customers to change and edit virtually any single page that they find on the internet and make it their own using our cloud-hosted pages, meaning that they won't even need to have hosting themselves. In fact, the page that you're looking at right now was made using the power of Changio. Now, I recommend that you check out the demo video below. I think you're going to want to use this for yourself as well. You're going to see why customers are so excited about Changio. Now, we're going to have a really great sales funnel. We're doing something a little bit special with our OTO 1, where we're going to allow customers to be able to get the entire sales funnel for a high price so that you're going to get great commissions there. We're going to have a great prize pool and a ton of scarcity built right into the launch as we're doing our 3-day launch so that it's easy to mail for and easy to make a ton of money on. If you need anything, bonuses, sales page previews, anything at all, just reach out to me. I'm happy to help, and I look forward to making this one of your most profitable promos of 2021. Thanks.
Just to show you how this works. And for this example, I'm just going to enter in the URL of one of my business partners' websites, Mike from Maine. So I'm going to call this Mike's page, and I'm going to enter in the URL for his site. Now, as I said, this is one of my business partners' websites. I do not have access to this website. However, access is not needed with Changio because, as I said before, Changio will work with virtually any web page on the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Save New. And the next thing I want to do is go ahead and edit this page. So I'll go ahead and click this little icon right here that says Edit. And Changio will pull his page into the Changio software. So you can see I'm actually still inside of the Changio dashboard, but I now have Mike's web page inside of this dashboard. And what I can do now is right-click on any element inside of the page, and this will bring up the edit box, which will allow me to edit that element. So I can change things like text, I can change things like colors, I can change links, I can change graphics, or I can add new elements if I want to, simply by clicking on the Add Element button. I can add new images, I can add new text, new buttons, or even custom code. And in this way, I can change, update, and remake this page to be however I like. For example, if I wanted to go ahead and change this text right here, I would simply right-click on it and then just type in the new text inside of this box. So let's go ahead and change this and say, Changio is awesome. You should check it out. Now I'll go ahead and close this. Now that the text has been edited, I'll leave the text black because I just like the look of that. And instead, now what I'll do is I'll click on this click here button. Now I want to go ahead and change the text for this. And I'm going to say, see Changio. Let's change this to try Changio now. And what I want to do now is move up and select the parent. And I can change the link URL to go to the Changio website. And I'll go ahead and close that. And I can edit any of the elements on this page that I want. I can delete elements if I don't like them. I can add new elements if I want. I can adjust the elements. I can basically build a new page from this starting point. What this means is you can find any web page on the internet that you like the layout of, and you can build a new page from it. Or you can take any of your existing web pages and edit them without ever needing to hire a programmer or a coder. This will save you thousands of dollars in fees. You can also create multiple versions of your web page and split test if you like. Changio puts you in control of your web page like never before, in a way that has only ever been available to professional developers. And now you can do it all too without needing to know any code whatsoever. Once I have everything done the way I like, I'll go ahead and click on Save. page will save, and I'll exit back to the dashboard. I now have a couple of options. You can see right now it's deactivated. And the reason it's deactivated is because I haven't activated this page yet. I haven't pushed it live to the site. If I want to push it live to the site, I can go ahead and activate it simply by clicking on this link and adding the Changio code to the web page. The other options I have are to download the new page as a file, or to use the built-in Changio hosting that is provided for all the pages that you create. Changio not only empowers you and basically makes you a professional developer, it gives you tons of options on how to use the pages that you create and edit with the software.